So in my physical therapy clinic, I know that therapy can get repetitive, monotonous, boring. I always try to bring clients through the same basic movements, right? Your knee bends, your knee extends, but we can do it 1,000 different ways. In this video clip, you can see my client stepping over and through the squat rack. And the reason why we do something like that is I know it's uncomfortable. I know it's awkward. It makes me a little bit scared that she's not going to be able to step through. But putting your body in these uncomfortable, kind of just awkward positions is really a great way to train your balance, your coordination, and really build your confidence. There's a good amount of research that shows that a lack of confidence is an element in falling. And when people start to fall, they start to lose their balance, they tense up and they can't respond. And that's when they land with just a hard fall. So by having my client kind of walk through the sides, not the way the machine was designed, it really puts her in a situation. And you can see her working hard to get that knee through, flex the knee enough so that she gets it over the bar without catching her toe.